So now let's see how or what can you do if you mistakenly Google a smaller currency into a bigger currency. You want to avoid that because you will get a value that is less than 0.99999 less than that. And for example, here Malaysian ringgit to USD is 0.23. So basically, we're saying here that 1 ringgit is equal to $0.23. Okay, so now how do I get to remove the decimal here? I don't want a decimal here. Okay, so I have to multiply both sides. I have to multiply these sides and to make it into 1, and then take the same multiplier and multiply it again to this part of the equation. So 0.23 times something, which is here we have 0.23 times y equal to 1. So how do we get this multiplier? We bring the 0.23 down here. So 1 divided by 0.23. So this is the hard part, that 1 divided by 0.23 is, at least for me, I cannot mentally calculate that, right? So you can use calculator, or you can use, if you don't have that, you can do like this. So 123, this is 4, this is 92, then we got 8 here, right? So we can divide by 8, so we put another 0 here, and then 3 is 69, and so on. So we got 4.03. It's actually so 4.039. So that's how we get the value of 4.039. So now we multiply 0.23 with this, and then we multiply 1 ringgit with the same multiplier. Now we get 4 ringgit and 4 cent equal to $1. So yeah, so that's how you convert from a bigger currency to a smaller currency. You know, if you search a conversion of smaller currency into a bigger currency, you will get a decimal here. What you have to do is you 1 divided by that, and then you will get this value. So now you get $1 is equal to 4.039. Now this makes, at least for me, much more sense. $1 4.039 rather than $1 and 1 ringgit and $0.23. So yeah, anyway, in the Apple Store, in the game PGR, the conversion is $99 is equal to 479. Yeah, 4.79. That is a lot of markup. So before this, it was 4.0. So if $100, it will equal to 399 of basically 400. You know, 100, 400 Malaysian ringgit. Now $100 is 480 ringgit. That is 4.8. You know, currently Malaysian ringgit is 1 USD is equal to 4.42. It's not even 4.5. It's 4.42. But Apple mark up the price in the App Store, converting 1 USD to 4.79, basically 4.8, right? So from 4.4 to 4.8, that's a lot of markup. Very expensive. Yeah, so if I divide 4.79 ringgit with $99, we got 4.83. So 4.83 is the conversion that Apple use, as they have marked up the price of the App Store. Yeah, 483 instead of 442. That is a lot of difference. Anyway, so yeah, that's it about converting from Malaysian ringgit to USD. So if you want to do conversion, so once again, if you want to do a conversion, convert from bigger currency to a smaller currency, USD to Malaysian ringgit. Do not convert do not Google conversion for smaller currency into bigger currency, because then you will get decimal value. Yeah. But if you do get this decimal value, you just need to 1 divided by this, and then you will get that, you know, because this is the bigger currency value. You want to change it into 1, so you need to multiply with something. This also multiply with something. So this is actually 1 divided. You just need to whoop, and then whoop, down there, 1 divided by that, you got that. And then since this is 1, so you just times 1, so you basically take that multiplier and you get the 1 USD to Malaysian ringgit. And yep, that's it. I think I'm keep repeating, and I don't think this is good enough, but I think it's good enough for me. This is my 4th recording, I guess, and